simplify. Write your final answer using only positive exponents. So to begin, let's start by recalling the properties of exponents. We have the power of exponents property. We have the product of exponents property. We have the quotient of exponents property. And we have the negative exponents property. So using these properties of exponents and looking at our given expression, the first thing that we want to do is distribute that exponent 3 through to all terms in that quotient. So this means we are taking this power of 3 and distributing it to each term in our numerator, as well as the term in the denominator. So we can rewrite this as 3 cubed times x to the negative 1 cubed times y cubed cubed, and this is all divided by z to the negative 3 cubed. And that second expression will stay as it is, y cubed over z to the 5th power. So simplifying our first term, we know that 3 cubed, or 3 times 3 times 3, is 27. We have x to the negative 1 times 3, which gives us a minus 3. We have y to the 3 times 3, which is 9. And this is all divided by z to the negative 3 times 3, which is z to the minus 9. And again, that second term still remains as it is, z cubed by z to the 5th power. So now that we have simplified this, we're ready to go ahead and combine the like terms here by applying the product and quotient property of exponents. So looking at our step above, we see that we only have one constant term, 27. So that will remain as it is. We can see that we have two x terms. We have x to the negative 3 times x to the positive 3. So this becomes x to the negative 3 plus 3. We can see we only have one y term, y to the 9th, so that remains as it is. We can also see here that we have two z terms. We have z to the negative 9 times z to the 5th. So we can keep that in the denominator and rewrite this as z to the minus 9 plus 5. So simplifying this, we have 27 times x to the 0 power times y to the 9th power, all divided by z to the 4th, or negative 4. So let's observe here. We have x to the 0 power. We know that anything raised to the 0 power goes to 1. So we can take this one step further and rewrite this as 27 multiplied by y to the 9th power divided by z to the negative 4. And last but not least, we want to remove the negative exponent. So we can do this by rewriting this expression as 27 times y to the 9th power multiplied by z to the 4th power. And that's it. This is our beautiful final answer.